Hi, this is Alex with TrainMyVA.com, and today we'll be looking at Google Docs. It is perhaps one of the easiest and the most feature-rich ways for people to share their documents and collaborate on projects around the world. In this tutorial, we'll learn how to create new documents and folders, share them, delete them, rename them, and move one into the other. So let's begin by looking over here on the left. It is our navigation menu, and we could either see all of our spreadsheets, docs, presentations that were shared with you, the ones that you, for example, have created, or all of them at once. That's the All Items feature. So once we're here, I'd like you to pay attention to the name that's listed right over here and the Folders and Sharing tab here. This information lets you know whether or not this item is currently in any one of your folders for your internal navigation and whether or not anyone else has access to it. Also, you can see the dates that it was created and the modification dates right here on the right. So let's begin by creating a new folder. Currently we have the two, the admin and marketing. Let's create a new one. To do that, let's navigate to the Create New tab, and from the drop-down menu select Folders. We'll call this folder our sales folder, but we'll make some sort of a spelling mistake. So for example, if we'd like to create a folder and then edit its name later, you could go to all of your folders, select the ones that you'd like to rename, and then click Rename. Also, you could go into the folder itself and just click on the name and change it to the one you want. Google has very intuitive ways of doing things, so it's a very simple way of renaming things. So from here we will add a item to that folder. So let's create a new document, for example, and same thing, just click on the document name to give it a name, and we'll call it our sales doc. Further, what we'll do is we'll type some content here, and this content now we will share with someone else. So if we would like to enter the sharing features, the settings, we can either do so by again going to all of our items and then selecting the sales document, and then from here going to our sharing options, which is the sharing settings right over here. The same settings we could further enter by clicking here or here. So this item we could share with an individual or we can make public. Right now it's private and will only be given to those that are listed below, but we could change that by making it public or giving it to anyone with a link. However, we will keep it for private as that's usually the best way, and we will share it with Bob. To share it with Bob, just type in his email address here and give him the features, the accessibility that you would like. We'll give Bob the option to edit our content, not just view it. And now we also have additional options. We could send him a notification letting him know that he has access to this file. We could also give a copy of that email to ourselves, and we could either paste the file right into the email. And then we can click Share. Now, if we ever would like to enter that setting again, we could, same thing, go either here, here, or from our all our items selected and click on the sharing settings. Those settings we could always take back and change. So right here, Bob, we can make him the owner or we can make him the viewer instead at any time. Further, we will take the sales document and we'll put it into our sales folder. To do that, select it, click on Folders, and apply the folder we'd like it to be under, and then click Apply Changes. So now our sales folder has our sales document. But let's say we'd like to move our sales folder into our marketing folder. As you can see, here's our marketing folder without the sales document. So let's click on all our folders, select the sales folder, click Folders, and apply it to the marketing folder by selecting and clicking Apply Changes. There it is, it's now under our marketing folder. To delete an item or a folder, it's very simple. It's just like renaming. Just click on the item and click Delete. Now it's gone. Google has a great option. It has the undo option. Right after you make some sort of a deletion like this, you can just click undo and the item will reappear. So you can create new documents, new presentations, new spreadsheets, forms, and drawings. It'll be a very great way for you to collaborate with anyone around the world on the projects that you are involved with. Thank you. This has been Alex with TrainMyVA.com. I hope you have great luck with this amazing application that Google has.